Hi, Long Beach.
Hey, we had some officers at Willow and Magnolia that saw your units rolling code 3. They're just wondering what you guys have there.
Yeah, I was just about to call you guys. We had an armed robbery at. He went in with a Glock and stole $500 of cash. The suspect vehicle was last seen westbound on Willow. They lost eyes on him at Willow and Pacific. And the vehicle is a silver Honda Accord.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Yep. Yeah, no problem.
It is a silver Honda Accord with a plate of 8.
Okay.
The suspect's description is a male Hispanic wearing a black hoodie and white shoes.
Nine 4093. The Honda we have here is suspect possibly not seen southbound Harbor from PTH. Charles, we got one at gunpoint on Harbor south of PCH. One possible. Got pointed out by a witness.
Get over here. I'm talking to you. Walk this way. Walk this way. Keep your hands out of your pocket. Put your hands on the hood. Put your hands on the hood.
What happened, sir?
Keep your hands up. Hey, Eric. Keep your hands on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Hey. Hey, 417, left pocket.
We're at 16th and Harbor.
Separate your feet.
Black backpack. We're going to check it out.
Hey, keep your hands in your pocket. Put them on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again.
We got one at gunpoint on Harbor south of PCH. One possible.
Keep your hands on the hood.
Witness.
Put your hands on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Keep your hands on the hood. 417 on the right pocket. Hey, I see the gun.
You got a gun, go in for it, you can get shot. Okay?
Get on
your knee. I was just trying to get on my knees.
Hey, you're not hit, right? Put your hands on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Hey, brother. Keep your hands on the hood. We have a robbery somewhere. Right pocket. Hey, I see the gun.
You got a gun, go in for it, you can get shot.
All right, get on the.
Your knee. I was just trying to get on my knees.
You're not here, right? Hey, he's got the gun. He's got the gun in his pocket.
He's got the gun set. Do not reach.
All units 998.
Well, open the door. No, we're not gonna approach. Hey, my man, put your arms out to your sides.
Who's gonna be you? Gonna be verbal?
Okay, I'm gonna be verbal.
Okay, someone check
Hey,
you.
dude. Hey, we want to help you. Okay, we want to help you. Okay, do me a favor. Get on your stomach. I need to see your hand.
No need for a perimeter.
Try.
On the ground.
Please, brother.
We're trying to get them to comply.
Brother, I'm trying to help you. Try your hardest to get that hand out. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Dude, I know that gun is on your right side, so we can't approach. We can't approach until your hand is out. Please, brother. Try your best to get that hand out of without the gun, okay? Lay on your stomach then. Lay on your stomach.
I feel you. I still got eyes.
Hey, put your arms out by your sides.
Doing more on that side?
Hey, put your arms out so we can help you. It's in his right pocket. Hey. Okay, listen, we see his right hand, okay? Are we, everybody, somebody get gloves on? We're gonna go hands on. You got, okay, listen, you see his hand, okay.
We'll just go right for his hand.
Okay, go right for his right hand.
We're gonna help you out, man. Don't reach for anything.
All right, go for his right hand. Go, do it. Grab his right hand. Right hand.
40 just
Right hand.
for the
Slow down.
The suspect has a 417 on the right side.
Yeah, I see it. Hey, you have gloves on? The 417 in his pocket.
Hey, can someone get a med kit?
Hey,
Hey, let's get a med kit.
Slow down.
Double locking. Grab that, secure that, easy. Pull that out. Secure that, roll him over, start medical right now.
I believe it's 16th Street in Harvard and 17th in Harvard. Lock it down one block in each direction.
Alright, if you guys don't have anything to do, let's go over here so we can start organizing what we're gonna do, alright?